let's add a new site to HAXcms. A new site. Sounds like a good title for a new site. I'm going to select the simple blog theme for the moment. Sometimes you have to refresh because of local development. There's my new site. I'm going to access that site, and I get this simple blog. Editing site structure in HAXcms is theme agnostic. So my new blog post happens below the other one and the next one. So I can hit save using this simple outlining capability. What I'm effectively doing is building pages that align directly with these on the back end. So now I can go to my new blog post, hit edit. I get HAX as my editing experience. I could then search NASA, as we do in every silly video we make. I could throw this into a testimonial element though, about space science. Let's make it have a purple border. Sure, it's cool. Put space science in there, scale it the way that we want it, hit save, and now I've got my blog post here that I'm working on. There's a radical difference though between this and other content management solutions, and it comes into play with the theme layer. So let's say I start as a simple blog, but now I want my site to look more like slides. And let's change the accent color to orange. It picks up and uses the exact same data structure, but now presents it in a radically different way. So if we go back to our pages, there's our blog post from before, but now it's in a slide playing design. I can edit it using the exact same editor. So the editor is agnostic of theme. Content is then agnostic of theme as well. I can drag and drop and upload files, like this file here. And it'll ask me how I want to visualize that. What it's done under the hood, we'll show in a second, is it's saved this to the file system. So let's make it a self-check, sure. And the question to ask is, what are these called? And then the answer is Legos. Everyone knows they're Legos. Yay, it's Legos. Cool. I want to tweak the accent color of that. Maybe we leverage the dark theme. Nope, need to get the dark theme to stick. So we've got that there as a self-check. We hit save. And now let's look at what we actually saved underneath. Let's scroll down. There's our self-check. What that created, sites. I can now find my site based on the name I made, which was a new site. And then the file that I just uploaded goes under files. So there it is. There's my file. The pages that I've been working on go under pages. So there's those page titles, if you will, as folder trees. And then this one is my new blog post. It's my new blog post. Yes. And so my new blog post, if I open up the HTML of that file, oops, open it here, let's move it over, okay. You'll see, just like you would see on HAXTheWeb.org, the HTML that I've been effectively writing and saving to a static file. The structure of this is all managed in something we call JSON outline schema. JSON outline schema looks something like this. It expresses the relationship between the pieces of material as well as kind of the rules engagement of this. You'll see most of this comes under play in metadata. So we kind of leverage the metadata area to do what we want. So here's our new posts. There's the reference to the file that I uploaded into my new blog post. It automatically generated a description. Another thing HAXcms is doing is it's generating RSS feeds automatically. So if I go to site details and then we change this from slide player, let's do something that had the blog, our brand new Learn To theme. And we'll do brown, sure, for the color, again, so you can see the color shift. So here we are in our brand new Learn To theme. Here's our blog post from before, again, content being agnostic of the design in this case. And here's our posts as Atom format. From here, we could then go and hit the settings gear and hit publish, which we'll show in another video.